What's up, everybody? I'm Tawni Rose, and check baby out with the short passion twist. This is just a completely different look for me. Like I don't think I've had my hair this short. Well, yeah, I've had my hair this short before, but I've never had a protective style that was short. Because you know, when I put in some fake hair, I want it to be long to the ground, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's different. So let's get into this whole experience that I just had. I don't think I've ever done crochet passion twist or crochet. The only crochet thing I've done is what is it called? It was like a wavy blonde look, but it wasn't a braid, it wasn't a twist or anything like that. Let me take these AirPods out. That's rude. I'm being real rude. So yeah, anytime I do passion twist or braids or whatever kind of protective style twist, like it's always braided into my hair somehow and never crochet. So this is a very different experience. It was a very different installation process. After doing tons of research on YouTube, I decided that maybe it'll be a good idea for me to braid all my hair up. I mean, braid it all up, okay? Braid all my hair up, and that's great. But the thing is, my hair is a little bit longer, so you know, the videos that I was watching, you can kind of like take your braid at the end and just kind of like crochet it up. But my hair is a little bit longer now, so it's like you can't just crochet up. I thought I was out of focus real quick. I also found that because my braids were thicker, it wasn't going through to, it wasn't crochetable. So then I thought about the last time that I had a crochet hair in my head, and I was like, oh yeah, I sewed it. I sewed the braids in, and I was like, but wait a minute. You don't have no thread, sis. You don't have it. It's like when you're in the moment and you're moving and shaking and you're trying to tape things and make things happen, it's like a wrench thrown in your situation, and it's like, dang, I gotta go to Sally's real quick and get some weave thread. But you know, it had to get done. I couldn't just, that's a step that you just can't skip, because I can't just have my braids coming hanging down in the back or whatever. Did I tape it? I think I taped one braid, me sewing one braid, but I have my camera on auto iOS, so it kept getting dark and I was frustrated because I'm like, I don't want to try to figure this out right now. I braided it up, sewed everything. That took a little bit longer than I remembered. But yeah, everything is braided and tacked down. That's the term that I was trying to think of. Tack. Once I figured out my camera, once I figured out to manually set your iOS, this is not a camera tutorial, but just for you ladies out there and y'all just getting started with the YouTube, sometimes you can have auto iOS. ISO. Let's not, see, this is why this is not that kind of tutorial, because I already messed up. It's ISO. Anyway, once I figured out my camera, then I was ready to go ahead and get started. Oh, well, we gotta rewind it because we gotta talk about the hair first. So I got my hair off of Amazon. It's called Flotig hair. First of all, do I have to go all the way back? I guess we can go all the way back. I get hit up by this company to do a collab. These are the great people at Flotig hair. They want me to review the hair and see how I like it and all those things. I think I specifically said I want the 24-inch, whatever the longest inches were, and they just sent me whatever they felt like sending me. They just was like, oh, here you go. That's how we came to just like even trying to have this look. But you know, when I got the actual hair and I was looking at it, like, I said long. But then I was like, you know what? Let's take this as a challenge, or just, you know, try something different. You don't have to have the hair all down to the floor. Let's try something different, a different look, and trying to figure out a different way to install the look since my hair is longer than the actual passion twist. So I think I covered everything over there. Now the hair. So I get the hair and it comes in 7 packs with 12 passion twists on each little ring. The hair is soft. You know what? It's light. And it's lightweight. It's light, but there's a weight to it, so you don't feel like, you know, there's nothing on your head. So anyway, I do like the hair. I could just say that now. Installation was fairly simple. It's just getting used to like the crocheting situation. And I did have to do a couple of them off camera so I can try to get the hang of it, so I can show you what I'm doing. And so, you know, you just put the crochet needle through whatever part of your hair, and then you take the loop at the top of the passion twist and loop it in your 2 fingers, and then you connect the hair onto the crochet needle, flap the thing closed, pull it out halfway, take the loop, then take the hair at the end of the passion twist through the hoop loop, and then pull gently. And that's it. It's really, really simple. And I'll show you a couple of times more while I'm talking about it. But my situation with, you know, where to start, how to make sure that you do have enough hair, because, well, not how to make sure if I do have enough hair, but how to make sure that you're getting the coverage that you need with all the hair that you have. That was my dilemma for the time. So I started in the back, then I was like, move up some more, let me start on the sides, and then just started like placing them different places and just filling it in and in until we got here. This was giving me 90s like Brandy kind of vibe. Not just Brandy, it was somebody else too. Like the Living Single theme song just kept going in my head as I'm getting my look together. I do like it, and I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it because I'm always doing something to my hair for the sake of my channel. So with that being said, I do love this hair, and I will put the link in the description box so you can go ahead and find it and try it if you want to. It's still hard to get used to because it's shorter than I'm used to. But anyway, if you like the video, go ahead and like the video with the thumbs up. All the things that every YouTuber asks you to do, can you just please? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.